In algebraic limits, ginagamit natin ang standard result method in rare situation. So, meron tayong formula for standard result method. And kapag ganito yung form ng ating problem, pwede natin gamitan ng formula na ito. Para may apply natin, let's take example number 1. Example number 1, for standard result method, limits of x raised to 5 minus 32 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2. So, let's rewrite first the problem. Limits of x raised to 5 minus 32 over x minus 2 as x approaches 2. So, paano ba natin may apply yung standard result method sa problem na ito? Kailangan yung form niya ay ganun sa kanina. Ganito. This is, ito, as is na yan, x raised to 5. And yung 32 natin, 32 is equal to 2 raised to 5. So, pwede natin ito ang ilagay dito. This is minus 2 raised to 5. Magkamukha na sila. Over x minus 2. Ang n natin for standard result method sa problem number 1 ay 5. And ang a natin is 2. Eto. Dito rin natin yan makikita yung 2 na yan. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin siya gamitin ng standard result method. Yung formula natin na n times a raised to n minus 1. So, ilagay na natin. Ang n natin is 5 times a na 2 raised to n minus 1, 5 minus 1. This is 5 times 2 raised to 5 minus 1 is 16. 2 raised to 4. And our final answer for example number 1 is 80. So this is the answer for example number 1. So using the standard result method. Example number 2 for standard result method. Given we have limits of x raised to 5 minus 243 over x raised to 3 minus 27 as x approaches 3. So let's rewrite x raised to 5 minus 243 over x raised to 3 minus 27 as x approaches 3. So kailangan i-convert natin dun sa form ng standard result method para may apply natin yung formula niya. At yung 243 natin, para makam up natin itong exponent na 5, this is equal to 3 raised to 5. Lalagay natin x raised to 5 minus 3 raised to 5. Ang problema, yung denominator natin, ang exponent niya ay 3. And we have negative 27 here, so magkaiba. Kapag ganitong problem, pwedeng gamitan natin both yung numerator and denominator ng standard result method. Kailangan natin convert itong 27. And yung 27 natin is equal to 3 raised to 3. So, yun ang ilalagay natin. Is x raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 3. As x approaches 3. Pero hindi pa nga tayo tapos. Gagamitin na natin itong situation na ito ng standard result method, both the numerator and the denominator. So, ang gagawin natin is limit x raised to 5 minus 3 raised to 5. Kailangan kamukha nung standard, kailangan kamukha nung form natin kanina. Nilalagay natin sa denominator para magamitan natin ng standard result method ay x minus 3 over x cube minus 3 cube, lalagyan din natin ng x minus 3. Para, for the numerator, ang n natin ay 5, and ang a natin is 3. Sa denominator naman, ang n natin ay 3, and sa denominator, and ang a natin is 3. This is x approaches 3. Pwede na nating applyan yung numerator and yung denominator ng standard result method. For numerator muna, ang n natin is 5. 5 times 3 raised to 5 minus 1 over 3 times 3 raised to 3 minus 1. So we simplify. 5 times 3 raised to 5 minus 1 is 405. over 3 times 3 raised to 3 minus 1 is 27. And pwede pa natin itong i-simplify. 405 over 27 is 15. And this is the answer for example number 2 using the standard result method. Example number 3. Limits of x times square root of x minus a times square root of a over x minus a as x approaches a. Let's rewrite the problem. Limits of x times square root of x minus a times square root of a over x minus a as x approaches a. Nasa standard result method pa rin tayo. Kailangan natin i-convert yung form. Limits, pinagsama natin ito, pag binalik natin yung x sa loob, magiging square root of x cube na yan. Minus, ganun din itong a times square root of a, magiging square root of a cube over x minus a as x approaches a. And hindi pa tayo tapos, hindi pa natin alam kung ano ba yung value ng n talaga natin. Limits, ulit, lagay natin. Convert natin into exponential form. This is x raised to 3 over 2 minus a raised to 3 over 2 over x minus a as x approaches a. Alam na natin ngayon ang value ng n ay 3 over 2 and ang value ng a natin ay simply a lang din. So, gamitan na natin ng formula ng standard result method, n times a raised to n minus 1. This is 3 over 2 times a natin na a lang din raised to 3 over 2 minus 1. And this is 3 over 2 times a raised to 3 over 2 minus 1 is 1 half. And kung simplify natin, ang pwede lang maging answer is 3 times square root of a over 2 or simply 3 over 2 square root of a. Ito na yung ating final answer for example number 3.